My name is Karen Lee Pollak. I'm an immigration attorney at the law firm of Bell, Nunnally and Martin. Often clients ask me, why should I become a citizen? What is the advantage? I'm a permanent resident right now. I pay my taxes. Why should I become a U.S. citizen? Well, my personal answer is I'm an immigrant myself, and this is the best country in the world to live in. But on a more serious note, you can serve on a jury, you can work in government office, and if you are a permanent resident and you upgrade to citizenship, you can bring some family members here who you were not eligible to bring over as a permanent resident, and the time to bring those family members over is faster. So there is no wait time, for example, if you're a U.S. citizen and you want to bring over your spouse, parent, or child. So that is a huge advantage in becoming a citizen. What is the process of becoming a citizen? Well, first of all, you have to be eligible to be a citizen. So if you are a permanent resident and you obtained your green card based on marriage, you have to have been a permanent resident for at least 3 years. If you obtained your green card through employment, you will have to have had your green card for at least 5 years. You will also have to have lived in the United States for half of that period. So 2.5 years if your green card is based on employment, and 1.5 years if your green card is based on marriage. You would complete what's called an N-400 application for citizenship, and you'll have to provide a copy of the front and back of your passport and of your green card, as well as other supporting documents. You file that together with the filing fees with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Office. You will then receive a receipt within about a month evidencing that USCIS has received your application, and you will then be scheduled for fingerprints at an ICE office. Can I just go back and... You will be issued with a receipt which evidences that USCIS got your application, and then you will be scheduled for a fingerprint appointment at a USCIS office. The purpose of a fingerprint appointment is so that the government can run a background check to see if you have been convicted of any crimes, and especially if those are felonies that could bar you from becoming a citizen. Often I'm told that clients have been convicted of crimes, but they were told that those crimes have been expunged or sealed and they do not need to disclose them. You do need to disclose them to the USCIS. So if you are completing your application and you have been convicted of a crime other than a minor traffic offense, you need to give a copy of the disposition sheet as well as the charge sheet to the USCIS. Just because you have been convicted of a crime does not necessarily mean you will be barred. There is something called the petty theft or petty offense exception, where you will not be prejudiced because you have a minor offense. Once INS gets your background check back, they will schedule you for an interview. At that interview, you'll be asked general questions about your application. You will also have to answer questions about U.S. government history and questions about the United States in general. You'll have to possibly write a sentence in English and read a sentence in English. If you pass your interview, you'll be scheduled for a swearing-in ceremony where you will participate with people from all over the world in being sworn in becoming a U.S. citizen. It is a wonderful ceremony, and it's amazing to see the people from all over the world. If you have questions about U.S. citizenship, please call me. I would be happy to answer them.